Hi guys, Anna here again. I'm gonna be doing a little tutorial for you all on Streamloots and how to make a card image right on our platform. So you don't even have to use Photoshop, and you can have some custom, super awesome card designs right here on our platform that we've created. So to do that, you're gonna go to Manage Cards, click the little plus sign, design your own card. So we have our own card designer here. If you haven't seen it yet, it's super awesome and amazing, and you can do a lot with it. We just recently added some new templates. So we have this shiny one, we have this one, fluffy, a chest looking one, the witchcraft one, which was like our Halloween type one, but that one's sticking around forever, so that's good. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 now to choose from. And each one has a different style for each rarity. So you pick what rarity you want the card to be. And then you're gonna click here to add from your gallery and add whatever image you wanna put. So here's just some stickers, so I can make a sticker card, right? We'll make it a common card, because stickers people love when you can put a ton on your face. So you want to name your card, you want to put a description. So the name doesn't fit on this card design, but some of the card designs do have a spot for the name, but you do want to name it because this is also creating the card itself on the platform. So next you're going to want to add the description, and this will show up on the card itself. So say make me put a sticker on my face. There we go. And it should fit on there pretty well. You can change the text size if you want to customize it. Different sizes, different colors. You can do it however you want. Once you are happy with how that looks, you go create card. And make sure the create card using this configuration is checked so that it actually creates a card added to your collection. So now you're able to go here and it should pop up right here. So quick, easy way to get your cards started. And you're gonna wanna publish it if you want people to be able to use it, but not until you're ready. So if you've done that and you wanna go in and edit the card even more, you can do that. So right now you just go in, check all the alerts. If you want to put a different image here or keep it as the card itself, you can just add a new image through our gallery, or just keep it depending on the card. Sometimes you want to play a GIF, sometimes you want it to just be the card itself. So you can change that as you see fit. You can enable text to speech. You can use a default sound. We can add your own custom sound for each card. You can change the duration to not be default and the alert volume to be less or more, whatever you want. Also, you can change the card type. So there's 3 different card types that you can do. A regular card is just like one regular card that people can earn. Fragmented card is a special card where the user would have to collect a certain number of fragments to redeem it, and it still counts as one card in a chest. So someone will get 1 fragment for this card that has a total of 4 fragments, let's say. And they have to earn 4 of them before they can play that card itself. So it's a good way to make something harder to get, make it more fun and engaging. So they're not just earning 1 card, they have to collect all the pieces to be able to do it, you know? So that's kind of fun. And also we have a 3rd type of card called a limited card, which is you can set a certain number of cards to be available. So say you only wanted 5 stickers to be used because that's all you have, or you only have 20 stickers. So make sure you have a limited number of cards. So then after that, it'll say sold out or not available, and you won't be able to earn those cards anymore once they've all been redeemed, collected and redeemed. Then here you can go to configure redemption. You can edit the message. You can name this whatever you want. You can activate a cooldown. So the cooldown's really cool. I'm happy that we added this fairly recently. So normally there is a cooldown for general card. We're just gonna go over this quickly. This is the cooldown per card. So if you have a card like a 12-hour stream, you don't want 3 people to redeem it in one day, right? So you can be like, okay, so every every 3 days, this one card can be redeemed. Or so many minutes. If you want to have like 60 minutes in between a certain card or certain game playing mechanic that can change what you do, then you want to make sure you have a cooldown set on this card level. And then also here, it'll automatically allow the card to have an action so that when you go to your redemptions, you have to verify that you did it. But if you don't want to have to do that, it'll automatically show as redeemed, and that's all you have to do about it. So just check this if you don't want to have to select later and do something else with it. For like gifts or sticker cards, that's the best way to do it. And the last one we have is the probability, which is also somewhat new, but maybe you haven't noticed about it. It's where you can change the probability of a certain card. So say this is a common card, right? But you want it to be like a little less frequent or a little more less frequent. I know it sounds weird, but less frequent. So then the other common cards will come more often than this one. So if you want to make things harder, but still have it be a certain type of rarity, then that's how you'd want to tweak that. And you're able to do that on every single card. And then whatever order you want to put your card in, it'll automatically go to the front, but you can like click and drag and just put it anywhere in the collection. So that's pretty nifty, I think. And yeah, that's how to create a card. Then you want to save it when you're done. You can test it, and you want to make sure you hit publish so that it will show up in your collection when you're done. Hope that helps. A quick run through on how to make a card image on our website. And I hope you take this info and are able to make some really awesome creative cards on our platform. All right. And thank you guys for being awesome. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.